Hi guys, Sandy Ingram here. Welcome to the Edu Matrix channel. In today's video, I have a question for you. Are you holding 1 million Iraqi dinars and wondering how to actually turn those dinars into a profit today, now, not tomorrow, next week, years from now, but now, really soon, today? Guess what? The channel has been working on an answer to that question for several days. We found solid and doable ways to invest your Iraqi dinar today and start receiving profits right away. The answer is in a 2,000-word article on the channel's blog. It would take way too long for a video. There are links in the article to show you exactly where the information originated from. You may want to look at dividend-paying companies. Yes, they do have dividend-paying companies in Iraq, to bonds and oil sector companies to grow your money. We do not have to wait for a currency adjustment or a currency revaluation. The link to the post is in the description. Now, you always want to hold back a certain amount of your Iraqi dinars, just in case there is a revalue or an adjustment of the currency in the near future. We don't know what Iraq is doing. The fastest ways to create profits on 1 million IQD. Have a great weekend, guys. Have a great weekend.